Hello printheads, and welcome back to the Printheads YouTube channel, where today I'm going to show you exactly how to do a full Wi-Fi and network reset on your Epsom EcoTank printer. Now today I'm using an ET-2850. However, if you have a different model of EcoTank, that's completely okay, because every EcoTank has the exact same firmware and hardware. So this tutorial will work for any EcoTank. Even if you don't have a screen on your EcoTank, skip to halfway through the video and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. If you don't have a screen, I'm going to show you the button combinations on how to reset your Wi-Fi and do a full network reset as well, okay? But first things first, if you do have a screen on your EcoTank, the process is very simple. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay guys, so first things first, you might want to do a Wi-Fi reset or a network reset if you're having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi, or you've had your own Wi-Fi reset and you've changed your Wi-Fi. Something along those lines, or you're having trouble connecting to the smart app. You know, I've had to reset my Wi-Fi a few times on the printer just to connect to my phone, and then yeah, normally after you reset and you connect, everything works all right. Okay guys, so first things first, you want to turn on your printer, make sure the blue light is on, and then go to the home page here. As you can see, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, but you just want to go to settings and then just scroll all the way along. Ignore the network settings, that's not what you want. You want restore default settings, okay guys? And then go to network settings and then restore network settings to default. So press OK. And then if you do this, guys, you will reset your Wi-Fi. You will have to turn your printer on and off again after you press OK and your settings are reset. Okay, so once you've pressed OK and the settings are reset, just hold this and then turn the power off and then turn it back on again, and then you should not be connected to any Wi-Fi's or anything of the sort. Okay guys, so if you want to do a deeper network reset or maybe a full reset, you do the same thing. So you go to default settings and then clear all data and settings. That will just clear pretty much everything, give you a full reset. Okay guys, if stuff is still not working, then you might want to do this. Okay guys, so now I'm going to explain what to do if you don't have a screen. Okay, so if you have buttons along the top like here, like you have a different EcoTank model, then you just have to do a few simple button combinations in order to reset your Wi-Fi. So to just do a simple Wi-Fi reset, which will kind of disconnect you from your Wi-Fi and you can find a new one, you press the Wi-Fi and stop button for 5 seconds until you see a flashing light, okay? And then once you've done that, you'll be disconnected from your Wi-Fi. You can reconnect and find a new one if that's what you need. If you want to do a full network reset, which kind of clears all of your Wi-Fi details, allows you to kind of get a clean slate, then you'll have to press the power, stop, and Wi-Fi buttons for 10 seconds, okay? And then once you see an LED or flashing light, then that's when you know you have successfully reset your network settings. Okay guys, so that's basically it. I hope you found this video informative and I hope you managed to reset your Wi-Fi. If you do have any other problems or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also feel free to check out any of our other videos. We have videos for every printer and every problem. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching, and always remember, stay printy.